Hey guys, I've been feeling pretty stressed out lately. There's a lot of first world problems consuming my world right now. Things like Dr. Fauci getting COVID, Joe Biden falling off his bike. Stranger Things is still a thing for some reason. So I thought the best way to combat this stress was to return to my primitive roots. And I couldn't think of an activity more primitive than fishing. So let's get started. Now I may not have a workbench, or an apron, or any idea what I'm doing, but I don't think either of these things should affect the quality of my rod. Now the first thing I did was travel outdoors to find a stick that I could use for my fishing rod. Then I started measuring out how long I wanted my fishing rod to be, and just started chopping away at it. Now that I had my desired shape, I was ready to get started on the line and hook. I started on this by finding some blue thread and tying it onto my rod. I think it worked out pretty good. And now all I have to do is create the hook, and I did this by melting this little piece of metal at the end of my my string, and then I just bent that to form a hook, and then finally I used a file to make my hook very sharp, and yeah, there you go. There's the fishing rod.
Fishing helps ease my mind.
So I built my own fishing rod out of nothing but scraps I found around my home. But what good is a fishing rod that can't fish? Well, let's put it to the test.
Javier was able to build this with a box of scraps.
This man lived on 1 cent for 30 days.
Can I now go with me with my stick?
No. To make this video a little bit more interesting, I decided to challenge my friend to build his own fishing rod and see whose is better. What else?
This is that friend.
This is that beautiful, awesome friend. No. I can't lie to them.
The nicest things you've ever said to me.
I can't lie to them. Whoever catches the most fish during this challenge, if any, wins Fisherman of the Year. We've also agreed on losing terms. Loser of this challenge has to edit this video. Is that funny? I wouldn't let you edit this video anyway.
I know.
Let's get started. Oh yeah, load mine up.
Do it yourself, Quacker. This is a competition.
Oh. Why?
Look.
Is this not a good spot to fish?
No, look at it.
Okay, fine then. Get a new spot to fish.
Can you take your rod so I can go?
You crybaby? No, I need to get out of here first. Okay, let's find a real fishing spot. Down here, maybe? So, since none of the fishing spots in our area could handle our amazing fishing rods, we had to walk around forever to find a good one. All right, watch this cast.
What's this guy?
Mine goes as far as my arms reach.
Mine, I forget which way goes which.
Where's the fish at? You think if I yell any louder, will the fish come to us? Yeah, you got the long ass wire. Like, you need to cast yours out a little further. You're the favorite to win. You have plus 200 odds to win, Landon.
I don't know if we can have any odds if neither of us have a chance.
I have plus 1,000 though. These fake lures, you gotta make them dance so they think they're real. So the stupid fish think they're real. We fished for hours and couldn't find a single fish. This lake is so polluted and killed all the fish. We weren't getting many bites, but we sure were having a good time. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, why'd you pull it back in?
Because it was coming in already and I had to make it look realistic.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Feels like 30 minutes and then I can throw it back out.
Only to reel it in again.
We keep this up for like a day or two and you should give it up.
I've given up. There's nothing here. I'm using my fish cam. There's nothing here.
You can just record me then.
You can record me being sad and lonely.
You can talk about Lightyear and the.
Yeah, so I think Buzz like really goes through the 7 stages of grief throughout that movie. Like, not with just losing all of his friends, but with losing the mission. My ass hurts and I have no fish.
I don't know what's going on with my stick anymore.
Show Javier your rod.
What do you think?
Oh, I think it's beautiful.
The Mach 2 is going to be a lot better.
Oh yeah, this is Rod of Swag Merc 1.
What the hell?
What's your rod's name? We didn't ask you. What's your rod's name?
It's a wrapping rod.
That's fucking stupid.
No.
No.
Yeah. What time is it?
Fucking, I don't know, 4:30. I think time flies faster when you're having fun. Everyone, please put your fishing rods to the camera and pray for us. Pray for us. We need your help. We need your fishing help. Put your fishing rod to the camera so we can get your power, get your fishing power, please.
I think I'm going to catch something.
Everybody, put your cocks to the camera.
Of your damn snap, but I think I got this.
There should be Snapchat, but for fishing. One of these days. It's funny, this is our last video. You wanna know why? It's funny how things end up. 1 minute you're fishing, the next minute
Very funny, huh?
you're killing. 1 minute you're fishing, the next minute you're dying. If I was on a boat, I think I'd catch something.
No, you wouldn't, because I think you're like, you go, an inch in the water.
I could do this. That's more than an inch. That's like 8 feet. Oh my god.
Okay, I'll give it 5 more.
5 more what? Hours?
No, 5 more throughout.
5 more casts?
5 more casts.
Alright. 1.
No, I'll give it. We both get 5 more casts.
There's my first cast. On the 5th cast, I'm gonna pull out a fucking shark.
Oh, looks like you have to set the video.
Oh wait, I lost this challenge because I got UV radiation all over my skin.
I won. Wait, get this. Say that again, the camera.
Well, I already said it.
Oh, is the camera recording?
Yeah.
Well, I have this wrap fishware that protects me from UV radiation. That has a funny slogan on the back. That's 1. We have 4 more to go.
Oh, that was only 1 cast. It's been an hour and 30 minutes, I think.
Trying to get fishing.
Oh wow, there's a little bug right next to me.
That counts.
Oh really? Well, I'll just pick it up later and put it on my rod. Okay boys, show me your rods. Oh no, I got skin cancer. You have to take me to the hospital.
Mr. White, no. We gotta go fishing. That's 2.
Jesse, I can't go fishing. I have chemotherapy.
Mr. White, shut the fuck up. We have to go fishing. You're right, Jesse.
Get fishing or get dying. I'll die if I go to that chemotherapy.
Just so what? That's not how it works, but hell yeah.
We've been out here fishing for 4 straight hours, but
My fishing rod don't work too well.
Landon's fishing rod is broken. My fishing rod never worked in the first place. But I'm not one to lose hope. We're gonna stick out here and stick it out till we catch a fish.
Perfect. Let's go. You just wanted to eat a fillet of it. You were just hungry.
This is why we need a cameraman. All right, Landon, get ready.
Oh my god, I think I got a full.
I think I got something too.
Guys, you guys are gonna see this. You just caught a fish. Oh my god.
No, I did. I caught the fish.
I won the challenge.
Yeah, I won the challenge, guys. I win. I got the fish.
You got the fish properly. I can't see anything.
Yeah, it's too dark.
Smile with your fish. I gotta go shit now.
I think this is Ohio big enough or whatever the hell.
All Ohio or whatever.
All Ohio fish.
Pick that up. That's littering.
Well, like this video if you like fishing. As I watched that filet-o-fish dissolve into that polluted lake, I realized something about myself. I was never fishing or dying. I was just bullshitting around.